Hi, everyone. This is Mrs. Holguin. We made it to Friday. Another week done with online learning. Well, maybe almost done, depending on when you are watching this video. But, anyways, we made it through another week. So, congratulations to you for having perseverance and sticking through it. We're very proud of you. So, fun fact. Did you know that the Dead Sea in Asia covers about 340 square miles and contains about 11 billion 600 million tons of salt? Wow. This fact was submitted by Cameron. And this amount of salt that's found in the Dead Sea is about 10 times the amount of a normal sea, 10 times the amount. And in this sea, if you were to actually get in the water, you wouldn't sink, you would actually float. Pretty interesting, right? Okay, so some updates. So attendance procedures. We're gonna please fill out the Google form in Google Classroom weekly. So this will be posted every Friday. The form can be found in the check-ins heading. So if you are in classroom and you're in classwork, you will see check-ins. So we've assigned it so you can only see your own teacher, but if we ever make a mistake, please make sure you're only signing in to your own teacher. Here's mine for tomorrow. Here's Miss Duchette's, and here is Miss Coulter's for tomorrow. For today, actually, not tomorrow. I'm filming this video on Thursday, so that's why I said tomorrow. It's actually today for you. Okay. Also, tomorrow, or actually today, I keep saying tomorrow. Actually, today you will have two Zooms, one for math at 9 o'clock in the morning and one for social studies at 10 o'clock in the morning. So we'll go from one to the other. And before you do that, I wanted to go over some really quick expectations. I put the full expectations in Google Classroom, but for just really quick, I just want to go over them. Be respectful. Remember to sign in with your first name and your student number from your homeroom classroom. Only with your first name and your student number, okay? Join quietly. Know how to use the mute button. Keep your audio muted until it's your turn. Use the raise hand feature to be called on to speak. Know how to turn your video on and off, because sometimes we'll be telling you to turn your video off, okay? Use positive talk when you speak, so only be positive. Be responsible, be on time. Come prepared to our meeting. Have paper and a pen or pencil handy to take notes, or have the notes that you already took with you, or if it's for math, have all your math papers. Or for social studies, have all your notes, or for language arts, whatever it may be, have everything ready that you've done that week. Log into your meeting from a distraction-free, quiet environment. Be presentable. Join the meetings once we invite you in. Remember to sign in with your first name and student number. So these expectations, we've also uploaded them here in Google Classroom. You will see the expectations are here. And please, when you have a moment, read through all the expectations I went through, but here it breaks it down even further. So when you get a moment, we ask that you please read these. So when you come to our Zooms, you can be prepared and ready to go, okay? Anyways, I need to also tell you that for the Zooms, so how to get into the Zooms, um, they're in the Google Classroom here. So if you go down to social studies, here is the Zoom. You click on it, it's going to give you the address to join, and it's going to give you the passcode if you need it. So here is the link for that. And then if you keep scrolling down, you will, under math, here is the invite for the Zoom in the math. Also, did you know that these are also found in your Google Calendar for your for our fifth grade team? So for example, if I click on my apps and I go to my calendar, It's loading. Okay, if you go to your calendar, notice I have on the left-hand side, when it finishes loading, there is a whole bunch of calendars. Okay, so my calendars is going to show me all of the calendars that I have. So I'm not sure if yours are under your calendars or if they are under other calendars. Mine is under my calendars because we created the Google Classroom. So here is the 5th grade team QG for Quail Glen. If I click on that, you will see that they Zooms for today will pop up right here. Okay. Yours might be underneath where it says other calendars. Your Quail Glen, your 5th grade team QG calendar might be under other calendars, but check it out. It's also there. That's where we're going to start placing them. So that way, you know to go to your 5th grade team QG calendar and you can see all the assignments and everything that's coming up. And then we'll put the Zooms on there. Okay. Just please keep remembering to check all the directions, follow all the directions, and just try your best. That's all we can ask for, boys and girls. Just try your best. Okay. And remember to keep memorizing for your part for the walk through the American Revolution. We will do it one way or another. So I hope to see you guys in a little while, depending on when you've seen it, or maybe I've already saw you if you're watching this video in the afternoon. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day and hope to see you, or maybe you already did.